Hello there, I'm going to be reviewing all of the models that I got in the Konflikt 47 US Army starter set. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Hello, and as I said in the intro, I'm going to be reviewing the models from the Konflikt 47 starter set, and here we have all of the models. So what you get in the box set, which if you watched the previous video you probably already know, but I'll say it again. You get 20 American infantry, as opposed to the 25 I think you get if you get them a standalone box, but oh well, 20, that's more than enough. You get 5 of the heavy infantry. You get 1 of the Coyote Walker. I put the flamer on it, so just for fun. And you also get the Sherman, the T Sherman, with a Tesla turret, which I haven't painted properly yet. So should open up. And then you also get the howitzer. Is it a howitzer? Correct me if I'm wrong. But you also get the howitzer turret, so you can play it as a standard tank if you wish, so you're not tied down to it. But anyway, I won't fix it on right now because I'm just fumbling at the minute. So, obviously I've said I'm going to review it. So the roux is basically, I'm going to show you what's in it now they're assembled. We'll start with the infantry, I think. Basically, this is one of the dudes I made, and slightly painted, or mostly painted. To be fair, it's pretty much where I'm going to go. I think I've got a wash to put on it and some neatening up to do. Is the camera going to focus? It is focused, it's just there's not much light in here, which is always awesome. Anyway, yeah, so that's one of the dudes I painted with Castellan green, Steel Legion drab on the gaiters, I believe they're called, and belts and such, and lead belcher on the metal bits, which was cool. That's one of the riflemen. I made, where is he? There he is, the bazooka guy, just over here, Bazooka Joe, if you want to call him Bazooka Joe. Got a bazooka, always cool. That way, obviously, use 2 guys, that's another unit on its own. Did I paint up my NCO? No, I didn't. So I've made, this is my, not NCO, this is my lieutenant. I did it, put his helmet on the floor, so you can see he's slightly different to the others. He's got an SMG. Yeah, basically that's it. So that's my dude. You can make quite a lot of guys out of this. I just logged on the thing. You can make a lot of different teams and guys and such. One of them, actually, his arm's in the box because I knocked it off the other day and I just don't put it back on. Can I find a BAR? Probably not. Let's have a look. Is that a BAR? Oops. Whoopsie doodles. I think it looks like a BAR. Basically, it's longer than a normal rifle, so that's a cool dude. Anyway, so that's the infantry. They're kind of cool. You get 20 of them, which is pretty decent. And these are the heavy infantry, so let's move on to them. I'll do one guy at a time, it's pointless doing it the other way. So this one will be the NCO. It's hard to see because it's metal and the lighting's not awesome, but he has a cigar in his mouth, which is kind of cool. I think personally looks cool, and I'm looking forward to painting these dudes. And we've got this guy, he's just a standard dude. His mouth up, sorry, I was looking at it off camera. That's why you didn't really get the best view of it. He's got his mouth open. Some really good grain on my hands there. Come on, camera, behave. I don't want to break it. Ah, that'll do. Yeah, so as you can see, I'll zoom it back to the back. So he's got like a power pack at the back. His little bedroll, I'm guessing, a canteen, a little fist, not oversized. So that's the heavy infantry. This is the light walker, Coyote light walker. So I did it really lazily, and I did it Castellan green. Did Evil Sun Scarlet for the visor, lead belcher, and a wash. But there's a lot of detail in this, so I can see someone who's actually a decent painter getting some good action out of this. And he's got 2 big old fists. Yep, so that's that one. We'll go over the Sherman last. So this is the Sherman. What I attempted to do with this is I saw something on the Wargamer, one of his videos, and he paints them brown. and then he dry brushes the thingy on there. So you can't really see it on the camera, but it's relatively decent, in my opinion. It's not awesome. The paint job, I mean. And then this is the turret, which obviously, I say obviously, has this bit. Tesla Sherman, just in case you was a bit unsure. And it just slots on top, so you can play along with it. There's this little power bit over here, and this bit up here. So most of this is resin. That's complete resin, apart from this bit's metal. And then obviously the rest of it's like a plastic from the Sherman kit. I'll show you the howitzer turret, which I pretty much already did, I think. So that's a standard Sherman turret. I glued that down, possibly shouldn't have done. Well, big whoop. And yeah, I mean, this one slots in a lot like Lehman Russ in a way. For the 40k guard. I think, well, this video's going on a little while long now. So what I'll do is hopefully focus to the back. That's better. Yeah. So what I'll probably do is I will probably do a comparison, possibly American Infantry with American Infantry, maybe put that next to a Space Marine, Sentinel Dreadnought, Chimera, and a Lehman Russ, possibly. No promises, but that's probably what I'll do. I also will have some other content related to the Konflikt 47, hopefully some battle reports and such. So let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, pop them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer if I know the answer to it. So jolly good. One of them if you like it, one of them if you don't, and comments as ever down below. Thank you very much. Hello there, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how no I'm not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be reviewing the good gosh, my brain is a pile of poop.